Today, I'll show you a secret system that's astonishing even engineers around the world. You may have heard of T-Works, but you likely don't know what goes on behind the scenes. This construction technique is so advanced, it pushes the boundaries of mechanical intelligence and allows for massive construction projects to be completed several times faster. If you think a structure's strength is solely determined by concrete and steel, discovering thermosteel panels will completely change your mind. While this system may seem simple at first glance, the technology it embodies is truly game-changing. The combination of the panel's special core and the steel mesh creates a wall that is both lightweight and incredibly rigid. Gabion walls are an impressive construction technique that does exactly this. Stones filled within wire mesh not only create a solid wall, but also transform into a protective shield compatible with the environment. The most striking aspect of this system is the seamless harmony of modern engineering and all natural materials. Even in the face of major challenges like floods, erosion, and landslides, this wall remains standing. This video brings together the breathtaking performances of the world's most skilled workers. Working with millimetric precision, these craftsmen complete seemingly impossible tasks in seconds. The speed, power, and coordination displayed as they each push the boundaries of their respective fields astounds viewers. Have you ever heard of ice forming concrete? The technology you'll encounter in this video seems incredible at first glance, as cold is often seen as an obstacle in the construction world. However, here, it becomes an advantage. The cold production ice formwork system uses special molds created from ice to create extraordinary details in concrete. Have you ever wondered how concrete surfaces get so flawlessly smooth? The spin screed you'll encounter in this video is the unexpected answer to that question. This system, which scans the concrete inch by inch with its rotating tube structure, makes the surface as fluid as water. With each rotation, it removes excess material, fills the gaps, and creates a glass-like surface. Its most impressive feature is its speed. It completely changes the rhythm of the construction site, completing tasks in minutes that traditional methods would take hours to complete. The footage you'll see in this video isn't just a typical workday, it's a special collection of moments at the peak of human skill. You'll be captivated by the speed, control, and reflexes of the masters, who execute every move with mathematical precision. If you think floors are just for walking on, these images will completely change your mind. The underfloor heating panel system is one of the most impressive solutions behind the scenes of modern comfort. The process begins with the installation of thin panels beneath the floor, transforming the entire structure into an invisible thermal network. This video brings together some of the construction world's most impressive performances. Masters control tons of components along a fine line, capturing both speed and precision to create incredible moments for viewers. This ground system isn't just another plastic panel, it's a power shield that stands upright even under heavy loads. Once installed, ACO Ground Guard provides the surface with armor-plated stability. Problems like vehicle traffic, trampling grass, gravel dispersion, or ground subsidence are completely eliminated. The internal structure of each cell distributes weight evenly, giving the surface incredible durability. In this video, you'll see how a powerful soil reinforcement structure works, transforming soil into armor. This system, composed of flexible cells bonded together, transforms loose soil into a solid wall in seconds. As the infill material fills each cell, the structure gradually hardens, creating a massive block that remains immovable even on the steepest surfaces. In this video, you'll see how a compact platform was built that can stand perfectly on water. Despite its lightweight construction, this design surprisingly distributes its load and impresses with the feeling of stability it conveys the moment you step on it. Achieving perfect edge lines on wall paint is challenging, but the device you see in this video makes it possible in seconds. The specially designed roller's side plate deposits paint into corners and edges with millimeter precision. Brush marks, bleeds, and wavy transitions are eliminated, leaving the wall with a clean, machine-like finish. This video showcases a striking design and production approach shaping future building technologies. Powered by advanced computational models, this system transforms the precise geometries produced by robotic arms into real materials, ushering in a completely new era in architecture. The material's behavior is digitally analyzed, and algorithms then determine the most efficient form and guide the production process. In this video, you'll see how impressively fluid coating technology works, covering the roof in a single piece. The special material, applied in liquid form, penetrates even the smallest cracks as soon as it's spread on the surface, and as it dries, transforms into a single seamless armor. There are no joints, no seams, and no gaps where water can leak.